Most people think blood is just a red liquid inside the body, something that comes out when you get hurt, something doctors test during checkups. But blood is doing way more than most people realize. Right now, inside your body, blood is carrying oxygen, food, heat, hormones, immune cells, repair materials, and chemical messages through thousands of kilometers of blood vessels every second. It is basically the transportation system that keeps your entire body alive. And the crazy part is, you almost never notice it happening. You do not feel blood moving through your veins. You do not feel oxygen leaving your lungs. You do not feel nutrients traveling to your muscles after eating. Your body hides all of it from you. But under your skin, millions of things are happening every second just to keep you alive for one more moment. And once you understand what blood is really carrying through your body, you stop seeing it as just blood. You start realizing your body is running one of the most advanced systems on Earth every second of your life. Your body has about 5 liters of blood. That does not sound like much. You could fit that into a small container. But somehow, those 5 liters must help keep around 37 trillion cells alive. Every cell in your body needs things constantly: oxygen, energy, nutrients, water, minerals, and every cell also creates waste that needs to be removed. Blood handles all of it. Think about how hard that job actually is. Your bloodstream has to travel through your entire body over and over again every minute without stopping. It has to know where oxygen is needed most. It has to carry food from your stomach to your cells. It has to help fight infections. It has to repair damage. It has to help control body temperature. And it has to do all of this while you sleep, walk, think, laugh, stress, exercise, or sit completely still. Your blood never takes a break. At the center of this system is your heart. Most people think the heart is just a symbol for emotions or love. But your heart is really a powerful pump working non-stop from the day you are born until the day you die. Every minute, your heart pushes blood through your body. Every hour, every day, every year, even while you sleep, even while you are doing nothing. A healthy heart beats around 100,000 times every single day. Over a lifetime, that becomes billions of beats. And every beat sends blood moving through your body again. If your blood vessels were stretched out into one line, they would reach around 100,000 kilometers. That is enough to go around the Earth more than 2 times. Inside those tiny vessels are billions of blood cells moving non-stop, and most of them are red blood cells. These are the cells people usually imagine when they think about blood. Tiny red discs floating through the body. Your body has trillions of them right now. Trillions! There are so many red blood cells that your body makes millions of new ones every second inside your bones. But red blood cells are different from most other cells in the body. Most cells have a nucleus. Red blood cells do not. They actually remove their nucleus while developing so they can carry more oxygen. That is their entire job: transport oxygen. Because oxygen is one of the most important things your body needs to stay alive. Without oxygen, your cells cannot make enough energy. And this is where breathing becomes way more interesting than most people realize. When you breathe in, oxygen enters your lungs. Inside your lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli. There are hundreds of millions of them. These tiny sacs are surrounded by small blood vessels called capillaries. As blood moves past the lungs, oxygen passes into the bloodstream. Then red blood cells grab the oxygen using a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is what gives blood its red color. Now the oxygen is loaded into the blood and ready to travel. Within seconds, oxygen from the air outside can reach your brain, muscles, organs, and tissues. That means every breath you take is helping fuel your body. Your thoughts need oxygen. Your muscles need oxygen. Your heart needs oxygen. Everything depends on blood carrying oxygen properly. And the scary part is how fast the body reacts when oxygen delivery slows down. Hold your breath too long, and your body starts panicking. Stand up too fast and you might feel dizzy for a second because blood flow changes. Run hard for too long and your muscles start burning because they are struggling to keep up with energy demand. Your body is constantly using oxygen faster than most people realize. During exercise, things become even crazier. The second you start running, your muscles suddenly demand way more oxygen than normal. Your heart beats faster. Your breathing speeds up. Blood vessels widen to push more blood toward the muscles that need energy most. Your body starts rerouting traffic in real time. It is honestly kind of insane. Your bloodstream is constantly changing direction depending on what your body is doing. If you are exercising, more blood moves toward muscles. If you are cold, blood flow changes to protect body heat. If you are scared, blood gets redirected toward important organs and muscles because your body thinks survival might be needed. That nervous feeling before public speaking? Your bloodstream reacts to that too. Your heart beats harder, your palms sweat, your stomach feels strange. Your body releases stress hormones into the blood, and suddenly your entire system changes within seconds. Blood is not just carrying oxygen, it is carrying information about how you feel. But blood is not only carrying oxygen, it is also carrying away waste. Every cell in your body creates waste while making energy. One of the main wastes is carbon dioxide. Too much carbon dioxide is dangerous for the body, so blood collects it and carries it back to the lungs. Then you breathe it out. That means every breath is really two things happening at once. You breathe in oxygen, you breathe out waste, and blood connects both systems together. It is constantly moving oxygen in and waste out every second of your life. But things get even crazier after you eat food, because your blood also carries nutrients. The moment food is broken down in your stomach and intestines, nutrients enter the bloodstream. Sugar enters the blood. Vitamins enter the blood. Water enters the blood. Protein pieces called amino acids enter the blood. Then blood carries those nutrients across the body wherever they are needed. After eating, your blood sugar rises. Your body releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin helps move sugar from the blood into your cells so they can use it for energy. Your muscles store energy. Your liver stores extra sugar. Your brain uses a huge amount of energy constantly, and blood helps deliver all of it. Your bloodstream is basically a giant delivery network moving supplies across your body every second, and your brain is extremely demanding. Even though the brain is only a small part of your body weight, it uses a massive amount of your oxygen and energy. Your brain is constantly active, even while sleeping, even while daydreaming, even while staring at a wall doing nothing, which means blood must constantly deliver fuel to the brain every second. If blood flow to the brain slows down too much, you notice almost immediately. You feel dizzy, weak, confused. If oxygen is cut off for too long, brain cells begin dying very quickly. Every thought you have depends on blood successfully reaching your brain. Every memory, every emotion, every idea. Everything depends on circulation continuing non-stop. But blood is not only carrying physical materials, it also carries messages. Hormones travel through the bloodstream like tiny chemical texts sent between organs. For example, when you get scared, your brain releases stress hormones into the blood. Within seconds, your heart beats faster, your breathing changes, your muscles tense up, your body becomes more alert, all because blood carried those chemical messages everywhere. Even emotions affect your blood. Stress changes blood pressure. Fear changes heart rate. Embarrassment can make your face turn red because blood vessels widen. Anxiety can affect blood flow. Love, excitement, panic, anger, and stress all create physical changes in the bloodstream. Your body is constantly reacting to your environment through blood. And then there is the immune system. This is where blood starts feeling less like a liquid and more like a moving army. Inside your bloodstream are white blood cells. These are immune cells that protect your body from danger. Viruses, bacteria, parasites, damaged cells. Your immune cells move through the bloodstream searching for threats constantly. Most of the time, you never notice these battles happening. Your immune system quietly protects you every day. Some immune cells attack invaders directly. Some remember old infections so your body can fight them faster next time. Some send warning signals to other immune cells. Your blood is carrying defense systems through your body all the time. Right now, immune cells could be fighting tiny threats inside you without you feeling anything at all. And honestly, the inside of your body would probably look terrifying if humans could actually see it happening. Tiny immune cells chasing bacteria through narrow blood vessels, cells crashing into each other, chemical alarms being released, microscopic battles happening every second. Your body is basically protecting an entire hidden world underneath your skin non-stop. And blood also helps repair injuries. If you get cut, your body reacts immediately. Tiny pieces in your blood called platelets rush toward the damaged area. They begin forming a clot to stop bleeding. Without platelets, even small injuries could become dangerous. Your blood carries emergency repair systems everywhere you go. And your body needs these systems because blood vessels are under pressure constantly. Every heartbeat pushes blood through the body with force, so the body must constantly repair tiny damage before problems get worse. Most people never think about how much work the body is doing every second just to stay stable. And one of the strangest parts is that blood itself is alive. Blood cells are constantly dying and being replaced. Red blood cells only live for about 4 months. Then the body removes them and makes new ones. Inside your bones is soft tissue called bone marrow. This is where many blood cells are made. Right now, your bones are producing future blood cells while old ones are being recycled. Your body is constantly rebuilding part of your bloodstream every second of your life. Blood also helps control body temperature. When you are hot, blood vessels near the skin widen so heat can escape. When you are cold, blood vessels tighten to keep heat inside. That warm feeling after exercise? Blood flow. Cold hands during stress? Blood flow. Red cheeks after embarrassment? Blood flow. Your bloodstream is helping manage heat across your body all the time. Even dehydration changes your blood. When you do not drink enough water, your blood becomes thicker because there is less fluid inside it. That makes the heart work harder to move it around the body. You feel tired faster, dizzy sometimes, slower, which is kind of crazy when you realize water is literally affecting how easily blood can travel through your body. Even sleep changes circulation. While you sleep, your body keeps repairing tissues, balancing hormones, and clearing waste from the brain using blood flow. Your body is still working the night shift while your mind is unconscious. And once you start understanding all of this, blood stops feeling simple. Because blood is not just one thing. It is oxygen delivery, waste removal, food transport, chemical messaging, defense, repair, temperature control, energy movement, survival. It is basically the thing connecting every part of you together into one functioning human being. And maybe the craziest part is that almost none of this ever stops. Your blood keeps moving while you laugh, while you cry, while you stress, while you sleep, while you watch this video. Right now, inside your body, trillions of cells are depending on blood to survive for one more second. Your heart keeps pumping. Your lungs keep loading oxygen. Your blood keeps moving nutrients. Your immune cells keep searching for danger. Your body keeps repairing tiny damage you never notice. And in